whole this one theta. So cos sin inverse x sin pi by 3. This sin inverse will go as sin pi by 3. Clear? Now cos sin inverse x sin pi by 3 how much? Do you know? Sin pi by 3 means sin 60. Sin 60 means root 3 by 2.
Root theta by 2.
Very good. Root 3 by 2. So we can write here next cos sin inverse x. If you try to convert that one into cos inverse, then formula is sin inverse x equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square. Is it clear? This line very important. Sin inverse x to cos inverse. Sin inverse x equal to cos inverse root over 1 minus x square. This is the formula. Why I did so? Because cos inverse x will be x, because we need to find the value of x. So I transform sin inverse to cos inverse because beginning cos is there. So this is equals to root 3 by 2. Now cos inverse x means x 1 minus x square root 3 by 2. Now squaring both sides. 1 minus x square root 3 by 2 whole square, that is 3 by 4. Now 1 minus 3 by 4 equal to x square. So we can write I am shifting this one right side. So x square equals to 1 by 4. Therefore x equals to plus minus 1 by 2. But x equals to minus half doesn't satisfy the given equation. X cannot be minus half. It will not satisfy the equation. Therefore, required solution x equals to half. X equals to half. I repeat, question is like that. Sin inverse cos sin inverse x pi by 3. So cos sin inverse x sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 means root 3 by 2. Next sin inverse. This sin inverse I have written cos inverse root over 1 minus x square. Formula. Sin inverse to cos inverse relation. Sin and cos inverse. Sin to cos root over 1 minus x square. Sin inverse x equivalent to cos inverse root over 1 minus x square. If you forget, immediately you write a side note, you can draw a triangle. Sin means perpendicular by hypotenuse. So base will be 1 minus x square. So cos inverse will be, if this is the angle theta. So cos inverse will be how much? Base by, as you know that base by hypotenuse. So it will be cos inverse root over 1 minus x square by 1 means cos inverse 1 minus x square. So I have written like that. Sin inverse x equivalent to cos inverse root over 1 minus x square. Next cos inverse x equal to root 3 by 2. Then squaring both sides. Next I have calculated the value of x. But since square root plus minus part, x equal to minus half, if you consider, then that value will not satisfy the given equation. Hence we will have to consider only positive value, and that one will be plus half. Write down. Hello. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I repeat, sin cos sin inverse x. Then we have written here. First of all, sin inverse right side it will go as sin pi by 3 root 3 by 2. Then sin inverse x I transform into cos inverse as cos is there. Then cos inverse x squaring both sides, we got the value of x. Next question, you write. Next question. May I raise? Hello. Hello. May I raise?
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Clear now this question? Hello.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Next. Our next question. it is like that. Here also solve 2 sin inverse x. Solve 2 sin inverse x sin inverse x plus sin inverse 1 minus x equals to pi by 2. Okay, clear? Solve for x. I will proceed. Hello. Hello.
Sir, 2 sin inverse x के theta धरे नहीं.
Very good. Another method is there. Direct method. If you go, what will write? See, if I write it like that, 2 sin inverse x equals to pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 minus x. This part I shifted right side. Okay. Hello. Next,
Yes sir.
2 sin
ताले तो
inverse.
cos
This is equals to how much? Cos inverse.
inverse
pi by
1 minus
2 minus
cos inverse pi 1 minus x.
1 minus. Very good. 1 minus x. Now direct 2 sin inverse x cos inverse formula is there. Cos inverse 1 minus 2x square. Formula 2 sin inverse x equals to cos inverse 1 minus 2x square. Formula. This is
স্যার
equals
পুরো
to.
অঙ্ক দেখা যাচ্ছে না, একটু সাইড করো।
Hello.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
Okay. So what I have done first, sin inverse 1 minus x I have taken right side. Pi by 2 minus sin inverse x means cos inverse x. And 2 sin inverse x, if you transform into cos, so it will be cos inverse 1 minus 2x square. Formula is there. So cos inverse A equals to cos inverse B. If this is possible if A and B are equal. Means 1 minus 2x square equals to 1 minus x. 1 cut. Minus 2x square equals to minus x. Written. Hello.
Yes sir.
Now what will do?
Sir, we'll shift x. So x equal to half. X equal to 0 and x equals to half.
Very good. So if you bring in one side, x minus 2x square or 2x square minus x, that way also you can write. You can write that way also. If you shift this on right side, that means 2x or cancelling both sides minus 2x square minus x 0. If you take common x, 2x minus 1 0. So x equals to 0 and half. Either x equal to 0 or x equals to half. Both will be the solution. The 0 or half. Clear na? Simple sum but very important.
Yes sir.
Next, our next question. Next question. You write. Solve for x. Solve for x. Many days. Hello.
Okay sir. Yes sir.
Next, our next question. Sin inverse solve for x. Sin inverse 5 by x plus sin inverse 12 by x equals to pi by 2. Solve for x. So how will solve this one?
Sir, sin inverse 5 by x के pi by 2 minus মানে pi by 2 এদিকে shift করে নেব.
Very good. So what will write? 5 by 2 থাকলে that advantage is there. So anyone you can shift. Anyone. Suppose sin inverse 12 by x equals to pi by 2 minus sin inverse 5 by x. So we can write sin inverse 12 by x equals to cos inverse 5 by x. Clear? 90 minus sin inverse x means cos inverse x. Now this part you can write sine inverse root over 1 minus x square means 25 by x square. This is, if you consider this is x, sine inverse 1 minus 25 by x square. So sine inverse A, sine inverse B possible if A equal to B. So we can write 12 by x equals to root over 1 minus 25 by x square. Squaring both sides, 144 by x square, 1 minus 25 by x square. Now you can bring these two in one side. So what we will get? 144 plus 25, 169. X square equals to 1. That is x square 169. X plus minus 13. But minus 13 doesn't satisfy. Plus minus 13. Since x not equals to minus 13, so x equal to 13 will be the solution. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Simple sum. Solve tan inverse x plus 1, tan inverse x plus 1 minus tan inverse x minus 1, tan inverse x minus 1 equals to tan inverse 2, equals to tan inverse 2, tan inverse 2. So this given equation, how we can start the solve? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, direct formula is there. What is the formula? Tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. This is equals to tan inverse 2. Now we can write these two must be equal. So x plus 1 minus x plus 1 by 1 plus x square minus 1 equals to 2. X cancel, cross multiplication, 2 plus 2 into x square minus 1 equals to 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Then dividing both sides by 2, 1 plus x square minus 1 equals to 1. 1 cut, x square minus 1, 0. X square equals to 1. Therefore, x equals to plus minus 1. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula you write first. Then tan inverse a equal to tan inverse b, a equals to b. Then simplify, you will get your answer. Next question you write. Next question. Just I will give the hint, rest part you will continue. May I erase? Written, remaining part. Sine inverse, solve for x. Sine inverse x plus sine inverse twice x equals to pi by 3. So homework, can you do this one? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What will do?
সাইন ইনভার্স এক্স কে থিটা ধরে ওইদিকে শিফট করে নেব, তারপর এখান থেকে সাইন ইনভার্স 2x থেকে ওইদিকে নিয়ে সাইন পাই বাই 3 মাইনাস থিটার ফর্মুলা বসিয়ে তারপর
Any other method? Direct sin inverse twice x के তুমি convert করে দাও. You just convert this one. You find out sin inverse twice x pi by 3 minus sin inverse x. This one you take right side. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then take both side sin. Then sin inverse sin theta, it will be theta. And right side you can apply the formula. Then find out the value of x. Dekhabo. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What you have told, that is correct. Alternative method. Sin inverse twice x pi by 3 minus sin inverse x. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear.
sir.
Hello. Next line, what we can do? What we can do? Twice x. Either both side you take sin, or twice x equals to sin pi by 3 minus sin inverse x. So twice x, sin a minus b formula. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Sin a minus b formula, sin a cos b, sin pi by 3, okay, and into sin inverse x, sin inverse x, sin a, directly बुझबे तो डायरेक्ट लिख ले. हेलो, sin a minus b, sin a cos b, sin a cos b. তাহলে এখানে তুমি sin a cos b মানে এখানে sin inverse x. Understood what I am writing? Sin a minus b. Then cos a, hello, sin b. Then sin b, b means sin inverse x. Then we can write twice x, sin pi by 3 sin 60, root 3 by 2, cos into sin inverse x, cos sin inverse x. What is the formula? Cos to sin inverse, hello,
Root over 1 minus x square. Root over 1 minus x square.
Yes, root over 1 minus x square, direct 1 minus x square. Cos pi by 360, sin inverse x, sin inverse x, x only. Clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Then this x by 2, half into x means x by 2, you can shift left side, twice x plus x by 2 equals to root 3 by 2 into root over 1 minus x square. Ever 4x plus x, 4x plus x, 5x by 2 equals to root multiplication 3 minus 3x square by 2. Understood? By this root multiplication, root a into root b, root ab. Now 2 to cancel. Now squaring both sides, 25x square, 3 minus 3x square. If you bring one side, then 28x square equals to 3. 28x square equals to 3. Now can you? Hello? Now
Yes, sir. Done.
x square, right side I am doing, x square equals to 3 by 28. X equals to root over plus minus, but minus sign will not satisfy the equation, so only plus sign you have to consider. 3 by 28 plus root 3 by 28 means 4 into 7, 2 root 7. That means half of root over 3 by 7. Half of root over 3 by 7. Check the problem. Simple. প্রথমে sin inverse x যদি theta হয়, x equal to sin theta. So sin inverse will go right, normal function sin. Then sin a minus b formula. Sin a cos b. B means here sin a cos b. B means sin inverse x. This is pi by 3 is a, sin inverse x is b. So sin a cos b, cos a sin b. Then sin pi by 3 root 3 by 2, cos sin inverse x means root over 1 minus x square. Actually sin inverse to cos inverse, if you convert, cos inverse root over 1 minus x square, cos of cos inverse x, x. So that way also you can remember. right side sin inverse x, x cos pi by 3, cos pi by 3 means half, cos 60 degree, half. After that minus half x, it again to half into x, half into x, x by 2. I have shifted left side, taking LCM, squaring both sides, we got the answer. Do you have any doubt? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Next question, I'm giving homework. If you can, you will do. Otherwise, next class I will do. I'm writing. Question you write. Solve for x. Homework. 3 cot inverse 1 upon 2 minus root 3 plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. I repeat 3 cot inverse 1 by 2 minus root 3 plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So, first of all, 3 cot inverse x you transform. Then easily you can get the answer. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Is a cot inverse x, you should right side pi by 2 minus cot inverse x, it will be tan inverse x. So left side also whatever value you will get cot inverse transform into tan, then equating you will get the answer. And just one hint I am giving. Suppose this one cot inverse, we know that cot inverse x means tan inverse, if you write then it will be reverse. So it will be equivalent to 2 minus root 3. Am I clear, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Cot inverse to tan inverse, cot inverse x to tan inverse, if you transform it will be 1 upon x. So 1 by this means 2 minus root 3. And this cot inverse x you shift right side. Pi by 2 minus cot inverse x means tan inverse. Pi by 2 minus cot inverse x means tan inverse x. First line. Next, 3 tan inverse x you can transform into tan. What is the formula? 3x minus x square. 3x means this one. 2 minus root 3 minus x square means 2 minus root 3 whole square. No one telling anything. 3x minus x cube. 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3x square. Whole square. Denominator square, upper cube. 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. X means 2 minus root 3. Mind that. Equals to tan inverse x. Now tan inverse x equal to tan inverse y means x equal to y. So you can write 3 into 2 minus root 3 minus 2 minus root 3 whole cube by 1 minus 2 minus root 3 whole square equals to x. Now after solving, you will get the answer. So next day I will ask this question answer. Home I will ask you have to show your answer script over here. Solution part I will see for this one.
Sir,
Yes, tell.
sir, tan inverse 2 minus root 3 তো 10-15 ডিগ্রির ভ্যালু না?
Yes.
স্যার এটা বসিয়ে দিলে x equal
Simply
to
after
45 degree.
solving numerical value you will get instead of directly for x. Simple solution. You just proceed simply numerical value, simplest value you will get. X equal to some value you will get straight away. No need to put that one. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next question. I am erasing this one. So today people have joined, no, done your English class. HM sir, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. Sir has taken class long time, no?
Yes, sir.
So English, so you can you'll be dedicated. So nice only sir has taken class. Okay, I am erasing this one.
Sir, x equal to 1.
Yes, x equal to 1. Very good. Answer is x equal to 1. Very good. X equal to 1. Next question. Solve. Solve. Tan inverse x minus 1 plus tan inverse x plus tan inverse x plus 1 equals to tan inverse 3x. Solve for x. Okay. Next question you write homework. So after
Sir, equal to কি লিখেছো?
you can directly you can do, or after solving roughly you can
একটু সাইড কর না ওইদিকে, দেখা যাচ্ছে না পুরো কোশ্চেনটা।
done. Very good. Next.
স্যার দেখা যাচ্ছে না, এটা বোঝা যাচ্ছে না এই জায়গাটা। স্যার ইকুয়াল টুর পরে কি লিখেছো?
হ্যাঁ হ্যালো।
স্যার স্যার সবটা দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। এখন দেখা যায়? May I write in some bigger font? Okay, right. Next question I am writing. Solve. Solve. Sin inverse x. Now is it visible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Minus sin inverse y equals to pi by 3. Another equation with that only, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equals to 2 pi by 3. Solve for x and y. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Listen, first one you put equation 1, second one all cos inverse you transform into sin inverse, cos inverse x pi by 2 minus sin inverse x, cos inverse y pi by 2 minus sin inverse y. So in terms of again sin inverse x and sin inverse y, another equation you will get, put that one as 2, then simultaneous substitution, any method will solve. Dear sir, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cos inverse, you all cos inverse second only equation, you can name it 2. So transform 2 into sin inverse and cos inverse, then name it equation 3, then solve 1 and 3, then you will get your answer. Answer will be x equals to, I am giving root 3 by 2 and y equal to 0. Answer will be this one will be the answer. Make sure your answer is this one.
হ্যাঁ স্যার এসেছে।
Very good. Next question, right? May I please? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In our next class, today I'm telling, but next day onwards, because those who are not able to take class, for them only I'm telling. Those who are attending the class, for them I will start calculus derivative part. Okay, so this part as early as possible, since already I hope you have done derivative last class. What we have done? Hello. Anyone present last class, can you tell me what we have done in our last
Sir,
class?
online or offline?
Online sir.
Sir, we have done inverse.
Answer. So next class onwards, if anything problem beginning, we'll discuss that one, or end of my class we'll start calculus part. So after finishing derivative, you will get start. কোনটা কোনটা which one?
স্যার নেক্সট ক্লাসে রিলেশনটা আবার একটু
Okay, I will explain finding time, but we'll have to move fast. So those who are attending the class, for their benefit, next class onwards I will start calculus, and when we will see less attendance, that day important chapters will finish side by side. So that we can finish our chapter. And those who are attending the class, I hope I will try my level best to give you valuable time importance. So in view of that, we'll finish important small chapter with derivative and then integration part. So within 1 month, if online class, if you see it is going on, so my target to finish the lion's share part in our online class, because class 12 if board exam is there, if they announce in future coming days board exam, though I hope you will get
অ্যানাউন্স করেছে তো
Yes sir.
স্যার করেছে তো অ্যানাউন্স স্যার 18 তারিখ মাধ্যমিক আর 19 তারিখ 12 এর এক্সাম বোর্ড
শুরু হবে।
হ্যাঁ বলেছে তো এমন একটা
হ্যাঁ স্যার বলেছি।
ডাইরেক্টর অফ
Okay,
টিভি
ধরো তাহলে ওই যে টাইমটা পাওয়া যাবে, এই টাইমের মধ্যে আমরা যতটা সম্ভব সিলেবাস শেষ করে দেবো আর কি। হ্যাঁ, যতটা সম্ভব আমরা টেনে শেষ করে দেই, কারণ এরপরে তো বোঝা যাচ্ছে না কখন কি হয়। তো তোমাদের যাতে কিছু বেনিফিট হয়, আই উইল ট্রাই মাই লেভেল বেস্ট। একটু সময় খালি দাও। আমি জানি এটা তোমাদের পক্ষে খুব টাফ, একটা ক্লাস করে আরেকটা ক্লাস করা। আমি দেখি স্যারের লগে কথা বলে ফার্স্ট হাফে নিয়ে একটা ক্লাস নেওয়া যায় আর কি, 11:30, তাহলে সুবিধা আর কি। এনিওয়ে, নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, solve 3 sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. ওকে, দেখা যাচ্ছে? হ্যালো,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
মাইনাস 4, অভিরাজ অ্যাবসেন্ট আজকে না? অভিরাজ,
হ্যাঁ স্যার
আচ্ছা আমাকে কাইন্ডলি ইন বিটুইন, কারণ স্যারও এটা রাখছে ডাটা, আমাকে যে কোনো একজনের স্ক্রিনশট একটা পাঠিয়ে দিবে, যারা এখন জয়েন করেছে, এখন যারা আছে, যারা লেফট দরকার নেই, এখন যারা আছে এটার একটা পাঠায় আর লাস্টে একটা পাঠাই দিবে। হ্যাঁ, স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা। থ্যাংক ইউ। 4 cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square প্লাস আমি নিচে লিখছি, যদি জায়গা না হয় অবশ্য দেখা যাচ্ছে বোর্ড, 2 tan inverse twice x by 1 minus x square equals to pi by 3 দেখা যাচ্ছে? হ্যালো,
ইয়েস
স্যার
স্যার
ঠিক আছে।
ওকে, বলো কি করবো এখন। দেখো ইন্টারেস্টিং, আমি আর কোশ্চেন লিখছি না। হ্যাঁ, সলিউশন সি 3 sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, এই যে পার্টটা, এটাকে আমরা লিখতে পারি দিস পার্ট 2 tan inverse x, 2
স্যার
tan
x equal to
inverse
1 by root 3।
ভেরি গুড। আর ওইটাকে কি লেখা যায়? এরপরের পার্টটা দেখো 4 cos inverse, যেটা এটাকে আমরা লিখতে পারি 2 tan inverse x। ফর্মুলা cos 2 থিটার ফর্মুলা ছিল আমাদের মাল্টিপল অ্যাঙ্গেলের চ্যাপ্টারে। cos twice x কি লেখা ছিল মনে আছে? 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square, এখান থেকে এটা আসে 2 tan inverse x। am I clear? hello
ইয়েস
plus 2 tan inverse twice x by 1 minus x square, tan inverse থেকে tan এ নেওয়ার একটা ডাইরেক্ট ফর্মুলা আছে, এটা ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট টু 2 tan inverse x। এটাও tan inverse x, ঠিক আছে? অনেকগুলি ফর্মুলা ছিল, একটা ছিল sin 2 থিটার twice x বা 2 থিটা, যেটাই পড়ো, এটা cos এ নিলে একরকম, tan এ নিলে একরকম। tan এর ছিল tan, মনে ছিল tan 2 tan থিটা by 1 minus tan square, তো ওইখান থেকে এটা আসে tan inverse twice x by 1 minus x square 2 tan inverse x equals to pi by 3। এখন তো ইজি হয়ে গেল, 3 to the 6 tan inverse x, 4 to the 8 tan inverse x plus 4 tan inverse x, 4 tan inverse x equals to pi by 3. এবার 6 আর 4 এ 10, 10 থেকে 8 চলে গেলে 2 tan inverse x আমি একবার করলাম is equals to pi by 3. Now to the right side if you shift then tan inverse x equals to pi by 6. So x equals to tan pi by 6 means tan 30. Tan 30 মানে 1 by root 3. So x equals to 1 by root 3. Simple problem. Transformation গুলো মনে রাখলে খুব ইজি। অর্গানিকের মতো, অর্গানিকের যে ট্রান্সফরমেশন আছে আমাদের ওইগুলোর মতো। ক্লিয়ার? হ্যালো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay, fine. Many days?
ওকে স্যার।
Erase করি? Next question, sir. Next question. Tan inverse cot x. Solve. Tan inverse cot x plus cot inverse tan x. Cot inverse tan x equals to pi by 4. How will do? Tan inverse cot x में लिखा जाए tan 90 minus x tan pi by 2 always in radian form not degrees, that's why I'm writing always pi here. Tan inverse x, that one, or theta always in radian, inverse wherever theta part will come, that is in always remember that one will be in radian form. So always write pi 4. Pi means radian. We know that 180 degree pi radian formula was there. Anyway, cot x tan 90 minus x complementary chapter plus 10 plus this one. This one we can write. What we can write here? Hello. Cot inverse
cot pi by 2 minus
cot 90 minus x. Very good. So you know, all of you already done. Tan inverse tan x, cot inverse cot x, x. Very good. So according to you,
x equal to 3 pi by 8.
Very good. Pi by 4 minus twice x, pi by 4 cancel. X equal to 0, sir. Minus 2x 0. So x.
স্যার pi by 2 plus pi by 2 pi হবে না?
Very good. Thank you. So pi by 2 plus pi by 2, pi minus twice x, pi by 4, pi minus pi by 4 twice x. So it will be how much? Hello? 3 pi by 4.
pi by 8.
Yes. So x equal to 3 pi by 8. Therefore, x equal to 3 pi by 8. Very good. 3 pi by 8. So done. Hello. Sanjay, next question. Many days. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
All of you have written. Hello.
Yes, sir, done.
Next question. Solve for x. solve for x. Tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x equals to half of sin inverse x by root over 1 plus x square. Can you see? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x equals to half of sin inverse x by root over 1 plus x square. দেখো এখানে সাবস্টিটিউশন let x equals to tan theta যদি সাবস্টিটিউট করো what we will get if x equals to tan theta, so we can write our part will become like that, tan inverse 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Right side half of sin inverse tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So now what do we get? Tan inverse 1 रे pi by 4 যদি লেখো tan a minus tan b 1 plus tan theta into tan pi by 4 means 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta, direct we can write tan pi by 4 minus theta, tan a minus b. দেখাবো না বোঝা যাচ্ছে?
না, তো বোঝা যাচ্ছে।
we can write 1 tan pi by 4 tan pi by 4 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Tan pi by 4 to 1, so instead of 1 we can write like that, so it will be tan pi by 4 minus theta. Eta mane eta, this one mane this one, so this one we can write it like that. Right side half sin inverse tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta. Hello.
X square theta.
And second square root হবে second theta, tan theta by second theta, একটা লাইন আমি লিখছি। নেক্সট tan inverse tan theta মানে theta pi by 4 minus theta
equal to pi by 8.
yes sin, এই জায়গাটা হলো সিম্পলিফাই যদি করো sin inverse, এটা sin by cos 1 by cos cancel sin theta, so pi by 4 minus theta equals to half of sin inverse sin theta মানে theta, so pi by 4 equal to half theta plus theta মানে 3 theta by 2, so এটা সিম্পলিফাই করলে how much theta equals to hello theta equals to how much?
Pi by 6.
pi by এটা তো pi by 4 equal to 3 theta by 2 to কাট মানে pi by 6 so x equal to tan theta, so tan pi by 6 মানে কত tan 30 1 by root 3, so x equals to 1 by root 3. বুঝা যাচ্ছে? হ্যালো,
Yes, sir.
easy only, clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Boring লাগলে stop, okay? Though our time is 1.5 hour, but since you have done your English class also, so you tell before feeling bored, I will stop my class.
Okay, sir.
This part is clear, no? Hello.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One or two sum, then I will wind up today our class. Next question. May I raise?
Okay, sir.
একটু টিপিক্যালে যাচ্ছে। Solve for x. Solve tan inverse half of second x in, okay, visible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Plus
Yes, sir.
plus cot inverse 2 cos x equals to pi by 3. Equals to pi by 3. How will proceed? Pratham part tan inverse. I am not writing the question. You will write. First part we can write half of second x. Next part, how we can write next part? Hello. Hello.
Sir, half sec x.
Now this one to okay, correct. Second part, cot inverse.
inverse.
If you write tan inverse, then it will be 1 upon. It will be 1 by 2 cos x, means half of second x. Is it clear? Hello. Cot inverse x to tan inverse, it will be 1 by tan inverse. Just hint I am showing cos x. 1 by cos x sec x and half will remain. So half sec x means cot inverse 2 cos x, tan inverse half sec x equals to pi by 3. Now these two parts same. Is it clear, sir? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So tan inverse x plus tan inverse x, it will be 2 tan inverse half of sec x equals to pi by 3. Is it clear? Here 1, so 2 tan inverse theta to same half sec x. Clear this one? Hello. Now if you transform this one, just see tan inverse 2 you take right side as half, so it will be pi by 6. Next, half of sec x, tan inverse x equals to pi by 6, so x equals to 10 pi by 6, 10 pi by 6. Then 10 pi by 6, you know the value. Hello.
1 by root 3.
10 30, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. So 2 if you shift right side directly, this is equals to 1 by root 3. 2 you shift right side, multiply, cross multiplication, it will be 2 by root 3. Implies cos x root 3 by 2. Cos x root 3 by 2. Okay. Since solution, so general solution you have to give. Root 3 by 2 means cos, which one? Cos pi by 6. Cos 30 degree means pi by 6. Clear? Hello? Hello? So cos x equal to cos y. So x equals to 2 and pi. General solution. X equals to 2 and pi plus minus. If cos x equal to cos alpha, so 2 and pi plus minus alpha. Alpha means pi by 6. Where you write n equals to 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 dot dot. General solution. So in general, value you have to write. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So today class, I'm going to finish over here. Okay. I will send some homework in the group. If it is possible at night also, you check time to time. So today, what we have done? Yes, tell.
স্যার আগের অঙ্কগুলো অনেক কঠিন।
না লিসেন না, প্র্যাকটিস করতে করতে এগুলি হয়ে যাবে। আমি কেন পড়াচ্ছি দেখো, অনলাইন ক্লাস তোমাদের লেভেল অনেক বেশি, মোস্ট অফ ইউ গট